take a sphere, and then I make a cut here. Take this chunk out. You get the mirror like a bowl shape. 如果左边的 surface 是 reflecting surface， 就是里面的 surface， then you get a concave mirror. 如果外面的 surface 凹出来的那个 surface 是 reflecting surface, then you get a convex mirror. Okay, so here this convex mirror. If inside is reflecting surface, outside is the back side. I will put it as dash. Yes. If outside is reflecting surface, then here it is not reflecting the back side of the mirror. Okay. Now, if I view from the front, this is front view, and then you see the center of the mirror. This center is being pressed inward. 凹进去吗? Right over here, this is the center. This is being, if you see from here, is being pressed inward. This we call it the pole of the mirror. Here is again front view. Same, this one, the pole of the mirror. For side view, then I'll just draw like this. This is the pole. And then this curvature has a center, right? Somewhere here is my center. If I draw an axis, join the center with the pole, you get your principal axis. Yeah. So here is again like the lens, principal axis. 这个 center 我们叫 again center of curvature. From center to pole is the radius. So that is called the radius of curvature. From here, here, radius of curvature. Why curvature? He's talking about this mirror here. The curvature of the mirror. How curved is the mirror? You'll see that when the mirror is less curved, like this, the center will be further away. If the mirror is very curved, the center will be closer to the mirror. Okay? Now, is this concave or convex? You have to see where is your light coming from. You have to see where is your light coming from. If your light ray comes from here and strike this inner part of the lens, mirror, strike the inner part, then this will be concave, right? Reflecting surface is the inside. If your light is labeled from this direction, comes and strike the outer surface, then this would be a convex mirror. So you have to see where is your light. How do you know it's convex or concave? You see where is the light from the question. If the light from the question is striking the outside, then it is convex. Okay, so that is the some terms that you need to know. And also, again, just like the lens, very, very important point is the focus. Where is the focus? It is half the radius of curvature. This is the radius of curvature. You take half of it. This is the focal point. Okay. So, in the drawing for concave, this your focal point is here. You see from here. This is the back side. 这个 focal point 是在 same side as your position, the observer's position, right? 所以这个我们叫 real focus. 为什么会叫 real focus? Again, 你的 object here, parallel focus. Draw the light ray. Okay, parallel to principal axis, and then strike mirror to focus. So 你的 light ray, physical light ray pass through the focus. So this is a real focus, is where the actual ray cross. For convex lens, let's do like this. The center is on the right side. Here I see the object. Okay. Parallel focus. There is my focus. 这个 light ray 不能够进去那个 mirror， 不像 lens 啊 ，lens 是可以 pass through， 可是 mirror 它不可以 pass through， so it has to bounce or reflect away, and this light ray reflect away such that it appears to be coming from this mirror. 这个也是我们的 parallel focus. Rule number one. Rule number one. This one, the physical ray is not passing through it, so we will call this virtual focus. Yeah, so if I label, here is the back side. Mirror, and here is the back side. This is one. This convex. So this is front side, and here is front side. Front side is always real. Back side is always virtual. So for the sign notation, later we're going to use the sign. This everything on the front side will be a plus. Object distance u will be a plus because it's always in the front side. On the back side will always be a minus sign. If your image formed in the right side, it will be a minus sign. That is the general rule that apply in mirror. Yeah, so how to draw the ray diagram is similar to what you learned in lens. You would apply in mirror. First, parallel focus. Number two is center. Center means the light ray coming from the object. If we cross the center, let me use a web. If we cross the center, strike the mirror, it will be reflected exact the same path. Okay, so any light ray that cross the center, strike the mirror. You see, I label this arrow, strike the mirror, it will reflect the same path, so I will throw double arrow. Okay, 这个是 center， 因为它不可以 cross 进去嘛， so it has to go back. That is the center. Now we already have our location of image. This is my image. Rule number 3, focus parallel. 这里 focus, so pass through focus, strike mirror, and then parallel, 去哪里 reflect back 回来。Okay, image is real image. Real image because it's on the front. Diminish. Inverted. What about convex mirror? Okay, we already have parallel, focus, center. For convex mirror, 你的 center 在右边. So this one we draw. You go the light ray from the object, go towards the center here. Like this. Let me adjust it. Okay. Towards the center, 然后这个 light ray strike the mirror. Anything that go through the center or pass through the center will be reflected exactly the same path, right? So you extend this path backward. Exactly the same path like this. Let's say let's say this is your center. 如果这个 light 是 facing this center, strike the mirror. What happened to this light? If you have a circular mirror like this, the outer surface is reflecting. When you have a light strike the surface that is facing the center, it will take the same exact path backward. This is rule number 2. Okay. Same here. If I make light ray comes in this direction, facing the center, it will take backwards the same path. So here I make it a convex lens. Okay, last one is focus parallel. So the line towards focus. And then reflected away parallel to prism axis. This is number 3. Strike reflected. Reflected 一定是要回来，不可以去那边，因为你的 physical light ray again 不能够进去那个 mirror， 所以它是走回来这边。然后呢，你的这一个 reflected line extend backwards, you find that they coincide. This is right. Okay, F, and then center, right? Center is also your 2F. 3F. Okay, but we don't usually take 3F. U less than F. U equal F. U between F and 2F. U equals to 2F, bigger than 2F, and U equal infinity. Here, just like the lens, different position, the concave lens, the concave mirror will produce different type of images. Concave mirror. You will need to create ray diagrams for each one of this. Okay, you just draw the light ray. I've already prepared the setting. Give it a few minutes, and then we will continue to the lens equation. OK，你的 concave 的 image characteristics 啊，全部是跟你的 convex lens 一样。Okay, if you recall back a convex lens, it gives virtual, real image, many different. And then for your convex mirror, it's like your concave lens. Always give you upright, virtual, and image. Okay. Again, you will see this formula. 我们用在 lens 对吗 ？Mirror 也是可以用啊。So lens equation, mirror equation, exactly the same formula, but the only difference is the sign. The sign. Let's compare for the lens one. What is my sign for f? If it's convex, 如果它是 convex lens, 我们用 positive, OK? 我们用 minus， 在这里我们的 body part, OK, is a positive. Convex is a minus. Be careful with the sign, huh? When you do the calculation, if you put the wrong sign, then your calculation is wrong. Okay. Then UV 很 straightforward 的 UV 这个两个我们跟着一个 rule 就是刚刚我们讲到，如果你在 front side of the mirror, we use a positive, that is view. If you at back side, we will use a minus virtue. Okay, UV 加还是减，你就看它是 mirror 的 front side or back side. That's it. For this one, lens, you remember this one always positive, and then the V depends on which side, right? If same side as I, same as I, we use a positive, opposite to I. Is a minus. Okay, so in the mirror equation, this one. Example. Okay, find image characteristics. Including the magnification, 找玩那个 magnification. So concave mirror, because object light is striking the inward one. You get a concave. So your focal point is a plus 1/4 1/4 plus minus 4. Okay, positive 6 cm. Now, magnification P over U. You can do minus P over U if you want to see inverted or diminished or upright. So minus 6 over 12. Minus 1 over. So inverted. Final size of the image. Okay, final size. Okay. So plus 6 cm. So on front side of the mirror, 6 cm inverted. 4 somewhere here in the middle. This is 4 cm. This is 8 cm. So in the middle, inverted. Half the size, 1 point. This is your image. Yeah, try another one. Example, and take down the question. Example 2. Okay, try example 2. Okay. Man puts a concave mirror with a focal length of 6 cm in front of him, produce upright image which is enlarged by 3 times the. Okay, so here's the concave mirror. This is the man face. Object mirror, focal length is 6 cm. You want to find U. Do we have V? Don't have V, don't have U. We only have F, 6 cm. So 有两个 unknown， 先写出来先。1 over F equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. This is 6 cm. Enlarged by 3 times 意思说你的 magnification 是3。Magnification can also be V over U, 3. So V equal 3U. This one goes in here. 1 over 6 equals to 1 over U plus 1 over 3U. Okay, forward 3U. 3U equals to U equals to 8 cm. Convex mirror is used by a truck. The rear view mirror. If a van 15 meters away from the back, U is 15 meters. Forms a virtual image. 1/5 is real size, so magnification is V over U. 1/5 V over 15. Three cm. This is 1/1. Okay. The radius of curvature of the mirror. Radius of curvature. So get the focal length first. Just 1 degree plus 1 degree. focal length， 所以 radius of curvature 是 double。radius of curvature 是 from here to the center。Okay, example 3. Okay, example 3. 他讲 produce a real image and what type of lens must be used to produce real image. So, sorry, produce image on screen 意思说你要 real image。这里我们是讲着 lens。So convex lens 就很像你的 concave mirror， 对吗？刚刚我们你画的那个 ray diagram 吗 ？concave mirror got diminished, virtual, magnified, many types. That is concave mirror, right? Or convex lens. Concave lens is like your convex mirror. This is always producing what type of image? Upright, virtual, diminished. Right? Your concave lens will always produce upright, virtual, and diminished. So can it be concave lens or A? Cannot. Since it says it's a real image, it must be convex lens. One. Yeah. So this is because this is always upright virtual image. So there's only one choice, convex lens. That's A. Now, what about B? Determine the position, okay, two positions of the lens that can produce a sharp image. OK，首先我们先讲，我们先明白什么是 sharp image。首先它一定要 real。如果你不 real，你怎样 produce 在那个 screen？OK，so it must be a real image. Number two, image distance must be exactly on screen. Exactly same as screen. Okay, what does it mean? Like this. We sketch out. Okay, a small bulb is at a distance of, here is the object. At a distance of 1.6 meter from the screen. Okay, this is my screen. .6. So here is 160 cm. And a lens with a focal length of 30 is placed between the bulb. So 这个160我们不可以改变了的，是 fix 了的，它一定是160 from the screen。可是你可以移的是什么？就是那个中间的那个 lens。OK， 你可以移，我要放那个 lens 在这边，或者这边，或者这边。Question 在问着，你要放哪里，它才可以 produce sharp image 在这个 screen。Okay, do I put here or do I put here? Do I put here to produce a sharp image on the screen? Let's say I put here. Let's say I put here. This is my lens. What does it mean to form a sharp image here? Is that your image must form exactly on the screen like this. So image distance must be exactly same as screen distance. 如果你的 image 是 slightly in front like this, you will not get an image on the screen. You will either not get the image or you will get a blurry image. If your image is behind, not exactly on the screen, again, you will not get a sharp image. Okay, so your image must be exactly on the screen. This is what it means. So you want to find what is the position. Wow, how to find it? 这样子咯，你做 U， 这个是 V 咯，对吗？我可不可以讲 U 加 V 一定要160？因为我要 V exactly 在 screen， so U plus V must be 160。So you got equation 1, U plus V equals 160. Equation 1, equation 2, 1 over F equal 1 over 2 plus 1 over V. This F is 30. It's a convex, so this is plus 30. Then you will do simultaneous. Okay, from here, make V equal 160. OK，完了，我们可以 end 啦。Okay, class, we can dismiss, and I'll see you tomorrow. Huh?